tell me who you are so everyone knows?
My name is Ethridge Down.
All right, and you're the vendor and the bottle washer and cook and everything?
Yes, JG's Bakery. That is patties. It's like a pastry with fillings. Chicken, beef, saltfish, and vegetables. And that's a vegan burger. Consists of lentil, carrot, onion, sweet pepper, oats, plantain, vegetable oil, white pepper, chives, also flaxseed. Hold it together.
Yeah. So how you do it? You just put it all in a pot and stir it up?
No. Cook the lentils separate. I then put that one, so I strain that. Then I add the carrots that is already cooked to that. I saute the onion, the sweet pepper, and the plantain together.
Good.
And then I add all them in a bowl and mix it up.
Yeah. Yeah. We are busy.